Hey gentlemen, how you doing? Hope you had a great week. We made it. It's Friday. It's the weekend, one of my favorite days of the week. And in today's video, I thought about this the entire week because a lot of things have been happening, the very positive things, and I wanted to talk about beard respect and notoriety. Now this past week, I have been running around trying to find new things, trying to get things done, and by doing these, I interact with a lot of people. And I wanted to share my experience when I interact with other gentlemen and even women of how much respect and notoriety I get from them. I at least get 2 to 3 comments a day about the beard and the mustache. Just today, as I was dropping my kids off, another dad was walking by, gave me the nod, and I like the beard. And last night, as I was picking up my girls from gymnastics, the nice lady there was just very nice and said, "That is a glorious beard." And it just makes my heart feel up so good when I hear that. And I'm not trying to be conceited. We've got this big, massive piece of hair on our face. And to get notoriety and to get a good compliment, it goes a long way. And for that bearded journey, this is for me one of the coolest things about the process. A few years back, when I did my How to Grow a Beard from Start to Finish, which has 2.2 million views to this day, it really just shined a light on me that if you get the beard down, you grow it out, you trim it right, you make it look nice, there's really no reason not to get a compliment. And I think that's probably one of the coolest part about growing out your beard. And I've even been in some scenarios that might not be the best, maybe some sketchy situations, but I still get that nod and I still get that acknowledgement. And I think this is the cool part about that respect, that it doesn't matter if you're black, white, Asian, or Indian, everybody loves that beard, that look, that masculinity just shows that you've got the confidence, and that's why you get that respect. So if you're thinking of growing your beard out, maybe you have a shorter beard and want to grow it longer, I highly recommend giving it a try. Being part of the Bearded Brotherhood, going on this bearded journey, it's a fun process. It's a cool way to see how your other friends and family react because nothing is more enjoyable of getting notoriety and respect from other people, especially strangers and people that you don't know. It's a very good icebreaker. It's a very good conversation starter. There's something about the beard that for some reason everybody likes. So if you definitely want that respect and notoriety, give it a try. Most of the response I get from people that are trying or wanting to grow out their beard is, either it's too patchy, I can't, it's not full and thick like yours. And my always response to them is, just give it a try. Give it that 3 months of beard growth. You never know what you can achieve. And I think when you do that growth and you achieve that length, that's where you get the mad respect. So like I said, this is just good motivational speech for you guys. This is part of the bearded journey. And that's just what I wanted to bring to the table today. I want you guys to just achieve the beard glory. Give it your all this year. We are almost in full swing with beard season. So like I've always said, with the proper products and the proper tools, you can have a great looking beard. So stay positive out there, you guys. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you guys next week. Love you like always. I'll see you on the flip side. See ya!